Today I entered the wrong leg on my second trade and it cost me 1100 instantly. But more importantly, today also had my strongest setup. Let's talk about both. Today is Wednesday 27th of May 2026 Nifty non-expiry session. Market opened slightly negative below previous day low. And right from the opening, one thing caught my attention immediately. CPR, 50 EMA and yesterday's closing level were sitting at exactly the same level. Now when two strong indicators converge at one point, this is called confluence, and for me, this is currently my strongest setup. So my entire plan for the day was built around that one zone. I waited patiently for the market to reach the CPR and 50 EMA zone. When price reached that zone and started forming a rejection candle, that was my signal. I entered a CE sell trade in 23,900 CE. Now I want to be upfront about one thing. I entered with 6 lots today. That is more aggressive than usual, and honestly I was slightly overconfident going in. But the setup was my strongest so far, and when the setup quality is high, sizing up is a calculated decision. Today it worked, but I am aware that confidence and overconfidence are very close to each other and I need to keep that in check going forward. As soon as my entry happened, the trade moved beautifully in my direction. Initially, my target was 30 points, but as the trade developed, I noticed something. Market was continuously taking support near previous day low and the day low zone. When a key level holds as support that consistently, it is telling you that buyers are defending that zone strongly. A big fall below that level was unlikely in the short term, so I made the decision to exit before the full target and booked 6,500 profit on the main CE leg. But here is where the day gets a little complicated. At the start of the session, I had placed both PE and CE hedges together, which I usually do. Generally, one of the hedges give a small profit to offset the other's loss. But today, because of the market swings made in both directions, both hedges closed in loss. So net profit from trade 1 after hedge losses was around 4,000. Lesson noted. Placing both hedges together at the start of the session without a clear directional bias is something I need to be more careful about. For my second trade, I had planned a pullback from previous day low. Market was continuously taking support at that zone and I was expecting a bounce upwards. My intended entry was 23,850 PE sell, but I entered 23,850 CE sell by mistake. The moment I realized the error, I exited immediately. But that immediately still cost me 1100. And then I entered the correct PE sell leg, but because of the delay caused by the mistake, I had already missed a few points on the entry. So one execution error cost me in two ways, a direct loss on the wrong leg and a worse entry price on the correct leg. This is a mistake I have made before, and it is purely an execution error. Slowing down for just 2 seconds before confirming an order would have avoided this entirely. Going forward, before I hit confirm on any order, I will verify the leg, the strike and the quantity, no exceptions. Despite the delayed entry, the trade went as planned. Market bounced from previous day low zone and started moving upwards. My target was weekly CPR resistance 1 and I had made a commitment before entering. The moment price touches that level, I exit. No waiting, no second guessing. Market hit weekly CPR resistance 1. I exited immediately. It didn't matter to me if it went higher after that. My plan was complete. The total profit from this trade was 4,500. After 2 trades, I stopped for the day. Now technically the wrong CE sell entry counted as my third trade for the day, which meant my 3 trades rule was done. And honestly, given the execution mistake in trade 2, stopping was the right call anyway. The mind was not fully settled after the error and trading in that state rarely ends well. Overall profit for the day 6,800. A profitable day, but one that had clear execution gap that I need to tighten up. 3 lessons today, all specific. Pehla lesson, CPR and 50 EMA confidence is my strong setup. Today confirmed it. Price reached that zone, rejected and gave a clean move in my direction. This is a setup I will continue prioritizing going forward. Dusra lesson, always verify leg, strike and quantity before confirming any order. 2 seconds of verification would have saved 1100 and a better entry price today. This is non-negotiable going forward. Tisra lesson, placing both hedges together without a directional bias increases risk. Today both hedges closed in loss because of swings, which ate into my profit significantly. Hedging strategy needs to be more thoughtful, not just a default at the start of the session. Have you ever entered the wrong leg on a trade? Drop it in the comment section. You are definitely not alone. Tomorrow I'll be back, same setup, tighter execution. Subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. Let's improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.